Okay, so this is the remote server where I logged in now. And on the remote server, look for this icon. So which says SAP HANA Studio. Generally, if suppose SAP logon, this is SAP logon software through which we log in into SAP, right? If this logon is missing here, whom do you contact? If SAP logon pad is icon is missing on your desktop, whom do you contact?
Basis can help, and desktop engineers can help to install it.
Okay, sometimes mostly basis can may not help because basis is not the in charge of this, but the local IT guy,
Iya, mani Rudrupa.
the local IT team or the desktop team engineer has to ensure that because when they are delivering the system to you, laptop to you, the all the necessary softwares are installed and given to you. So if the icon is missing, you can directly go back to your desktop engineer or the local IT team and ask them, IT support team, to install that HANA Studio on your desktop. Okay, right. Now, once the icon is available to you on your desktop, you can double click on it. So when you double click, this is the initial screen you will see. Select a directory as a workspace. Don't do any changes, just click on launch here. It is preparing a directory for you, for your user ID with which user you logged in and all those stuff. So not to worry about it. Just click on launch. So it is opening up now on Studio. So well, they gave access, but they have stored this. I guess the system is not ready yet. I informed them in the last week itself, but they did not unlock it. Let me try if it works. we need to get this unlocked here. You can see secure storage is locked. So we need to unlock this, only then we can log in. Okay, let's see what we can cover today, because definitely they will take time to unlock this. So let's see the theory part meanwhile. Yeah, the HANA Studio software which we saw just now. Through HANA Studio, we can interact with the database. So it is basically for interaction, to log in into database and to do some activities. Only below teams will have access to the HANA database. Which are those teams? The database team, obviously. Security team. What is the duty of a security team? Manage security, like especially user creation, role creations. Then BW team also will be given access for modeling. What is modeling includes? It includes data storage, develop HANA views, etc. And then basis team. So for doing the system admin activities. And finally the end user. End user, the difference between all the remaining 4 teams and the end user team is, we will not allow the end user to log in into the database. But remaining teams can log in into the database and they can perform some duties within the database. End user need not log in into database level because he does not, or that user does not have any activity to be performed in the database level. Okay? Understood all of you? Which teams are present and how many people are present?
Yes.
So here if you see, there is no role to play for functional consultants. Who are functional consultants? The functional people like sales people, finance people, they are nowhere here in charge, or they don't have any role to play here. Only end users or business users we call them, and then the technical teams like 4 teams: database team, security team, BW team, and basis team. And within the end users, we'll have 2 categories like power users. Like end users will have only display access to the reports and views. Power users can edit the reports, means they can add some extra fields into the report. Some changes can be done into the fields of it. So that they call them as edit the reports. Okay, so 2 types of users within the end users. So we can actually restrict the end user not to log in into the database level. So that there is a control within a database level. We can restrict them to enter into the database level, because everybody has to log in either using password or single sign-on. Okay, so both of them can be disabled. The password login can be disabled. Even the single sign-on login can be disabled for end user, so that the user will not log in into the database level. It is very critical actually, because if they do some mistake in the database, it will be impacting the entire organization. Right. Now coming to so whatever I explained you in the form of data earlier, the front-end application. Like the front-end application I told you, right? Reporting tools, front-end applications. BO, business objects, BPC, or it could be Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. It is fetching these reporting tools are fetching data from SAP BW. And how the SAP BW is getting data from your ECC. Daily loads, frequent loads. Or when when you are implementing S4 HANA database, S4 HANA system is implemented, all your ECC data is loaded into S4 HANA system with the HANA database. Either you can still use BW system or you can bypass BW and directly connect to the database tables. But when you are directly connecting to database table, ensure that the authorization setup is done at the database level itself. Here, the authorization setup is done in the BW level. The authorization level restriction checks are done at the BW level. But when you are directly connecting the front-end tool to the HANA database, we will not have the authorization checks in the middle, right? So in the database level only, we have to insert our authorization checks. Okay? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, yes.
Right. Okay. I think we have modes and perspectives. I think it is better to have a system and then see it. It will be too theoretical. Okay. We'll stop it here for today because we don't have system probably. So I'll get it done. I'll get it ready by tomorrow. So tomorrow we can have continue this session. Is it okay?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Sridhar, I have a question. I mean, this is 8 hour class, right? I think we'll be able to complete it by next week, right? Next weekend.
No, no, no.
Okay.
It is, I said, 3 weekends, right? We need.
Okay. Maybe I missed on that particular part. I'm sorry.
So yeah, it will be the minimum take 10 hours of class.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I think in between you're gonna start Fury as well, right?
No, Fury will be the month end actually. It will be November first week, I guess.
Okay. Okay. No problem then. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Right then. Thanks all of you.
So
And
Sridhar,
yeah.
yeah, for the access, for the system access, how do we get, how we, yeah, you mentioned that 1,000 rupees will be there, but
Yeah.
whom we need to contact and how?
Yeah. Just I'm pinging you the details now in the group. The contact number you can ping them and ask for the same access which I'm having it. So they will give you the same access to it. So I have just sent you the mobile number. You can
Okay, in
contact.
WhatsApp. And Sridhar, you just talked about Fury, right? So you will be starting that course in the November.
Yes, after this we will be starting Fury.
Okay, so you will go phase by phase. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So Hana and Fury after that, is there anything or?
No, that's all. We have only two, and then GRC is separate course.
Yeah, yeah, I can see the, yeah. See when it will start.
GRC is starting on Monday. This Monday we have a demo, 7 p.m. IST, evening, India time evening.
Oh, that is the, okay, okay. Evening, so it will be here Monday morning, Monday.
Will it be a regular one, Sridhar? I mean, if we
Yes.
miss out this month.
GRC will be regular month from Monday to Friday.
No, 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 no. I mean, if you're starting this month, I'm sure it will take a month or so to complete it, right? 1.5 month, right? So again, the next session will be conducted once this session is completed.
You're talking about
Or
GRC.
yes, yes,
Yes, GRC will start. If it starts today, it will definitely take 2 months approximately to complete. Okay.
yeah. After that, you will start again, right? I mean, once the
Yes.
once set of
So
courses completed.
2 months means, so see, we are talking about October 10th. So November 10th and December 10th it will be going. So I may
Oh,
not
okay.
start immediately in the December because December is the last 2 weekends are holiday season, right? People are
Holiday
in,
season, yes.
people will be traveling and doing in holiday mode. So we will start fresh batch again in the January first week.
Okay. The reason because I'm into an implementation project right now. So I mean my whole time is occupied there. Maybe evening session will not help me this time. That's the reason I'm just checking on it.
Okay.
Yeah.
If it starts next to after 2 months, then definitely I'll be part of GRC as well. But currently we are not supporting anything on GRC. Just I wanted to take it as part of my knowledge. That's it.
Noted.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
same here, Sridhar. If it is in the morning ones, because here it will be evening in the night. The
Yeah.
night times I can attend all the GRC and this HANA after that Fury. So if you are arranging anything in the future for the morning classes, please do let me know so that I can attend.
Yeah, yeah, sure. Well, I'll just check my calendar.
Yeah, and also weekend also is very good. Weekend actually very good one, but in regular days also in the night times I can attend very
Okay.
good. Okay,
Okay,
thank
Alamin.
you.
Thank you. Thank you. See you tomorrow. And please ping me your email IDs in the group or personally to me so that I can send you the documentations.
Sure. Thank you. We will.
Okay. Right. Thanks, Alamin.
Okay.